Have you ever gotten ready to make a salad and realized you didn't have croutons? Don't worry, friends. I have a delicious air fryer homemade crouton recipe for you coming up. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, like I said, have you ever been at home and you just felt like eating a salad? You go to make it and you didn't have any croutons? Well, don't worry. I'm going to be making some air fryer croutons. Simple, easy, minimal ingredients, and the best part is you can make this keto friendly. I am using some keto bread and making my croutons because I really miss croutons in my salad. I haven't been eating them. And a couple of weeks ago, I tried doing this in the air fryer and it worked out beautifully. So I am in the mood for some more, so I thought I'd share it for Air Fryer February. So you can use any bread. Italian bread is perfect for this recipe. Any bread will work. But like I said, I am using the keto bread. So let me stop talking because I am rambling, and I'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get this very easy, simple recipe made. Okay, we have some olive oil, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, black pepper. I am using the Italian 647 bread because it's keto friendly, but friends, you can use any kind of bread you want. The Italian crusty bread is perfect for this, but I'm trying to keep it low carb for us, so I'm just using that bread. I wanted to show that to you. And then I just took several slices and cubed it up using a serrated knife. You want about 4 cups of bread. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using, so let's get started. Alright, so I have myself a mixing bowl. I do have my air fryer on 375 for 3 minutes to preheat it. I'm going to put a tad bit of olive oil in the bottom of my bowl. You're going to add 4 cups of cubed bread. You can see the size of my bread right here. You're just going to dump that in there. Then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil on top of our bread. Okay, then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasonings. I have this, it's called Italian herbs is what I use. I'm going to use just a little bit more of that. I think it has some cheese in it. And then I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And friends, that is it. And then we just go ahead, don't fly it out of the bowl. You know, I think every time I stir a recipe, I fly it out of the bowl. Just stir it up and make sure everything is coated really well. And if you need to add a little bit more olive oil, please go ahead and do so, because you do want it, you don't want to soak it, but you want it covered, that all the ingredients are sticking to it. Okay. Oh, I did it again. Alrighty, I'm just going to keep mixing it just to make sure I spread those ingredients out, and then once my air fryer is heated, we'll go ahead and, oh my goodness, these smell so good already. We'll go ahead and get it put in the air fryer. Okay, we are preheated, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull my air fryer tray out. Just going to dump all that right on there. And then you just want to spread it out. Try not to have anything overlapping. Just like that. Make sure you use up all that empty space. Alrighty, we're going to put it back in. We're going to go ahead and set it for, we're going to go for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to check it at the 5-minute mark just to make sure you're not burning it. Alright, my friends. 5 minutes was even a little bit too long. No, not too bad. There we have it. Look how fast that was. I got sidetracked a little bit. I should have stopped it after like 2 minutes and turned them over. But they turned out great. Yes. Oh yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna let these cool a little bit. Alrighty, so here's my bowl of croutons. Let's do a little, just stuck my finger in dressing. I have a little salad here. Oh, I'm making a mess, friends, making a mess. Just what I needed. I've been craving croutons for my salads. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye!